Hello everyone, welcome to Team Lovers channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to fix connection error code 0 in Valorant. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button, and without wasting time, let's start a video. So to fix this error, first of all open start menu and do the same as I am showing you in this video. So after completing all these steps, now restart your PC and hope so your error is fixed. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe.